Alright, so we are up in Langlade. Got all sorts of new exciting stuff today. We got a new riding buddy here on a KLR. We got the new Tenere. Oh, I got my still broke foot and my new Falco boots from Pacific Power Sports, who are the same people that got me my Motaz Adventure Tractionators. So we're testing all sorts of new stuff out today. Oh, and the Hawk coat.
And he's afraid to ride his bike.
You keep thinking it's the bike. I'm more worried about my foot than the bike. I don't want to go through that again. I have to say though, this was an absolute blast and a very pleasant change to ride this up here versus the KLR. Not that the KLR is not a great machine, and whew, might be a little bit easier to handle off-road. I guess we'll see. But oh my gosh, this thing was a heck of a lot of fun, and all those twisties, and got the beautiful fall colors up here still. It was kind of a nice. Go ahead.
Right in was really nice.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, I have to say this thing is it's just a lot stiffer than the KLR was, and I never messed with the suspension on the KLR really. It's definitely going to take a little bit of getting used to. Boy, the foot pegs feel super high. I feel like I'm like standing on top of a truck or something. Are you live back there?
You're skipping all the puddles. I thought you were talking to the camera.
Oh, well,
stationed more than me.
You can join in too.
Ah. There's a puddle you can't avoid, can you?
No.
He's gonna.
No, I went through a little.
I gotta test out my boots.
It's kind of weird. I can look down and see what gear I'm in.
Oh, that is nice. I missed that. This one's got it, but my Versus doesn't.
Oh, yeah. Really? I'm kind of surprised.
Yeah, I know.
That's weird.
But it does have a thermometer on it. Tells you what the temperature is. I like that.
For the outdoor temp?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought that was the most useless thing I ever saw when I bought that bike, and I look at that more than I look at the speedometer.
Yeah, it's this says 75 out here today. It's a beautiful day.
I ate a bug.
Oh yeah, I definitely missed my KLR bag. This backpack on the back with the bungee cords on it isn't really a great option. Ooh, yikes. Oh no. I've got another battery for you if you want. Yeah, this isn't a great place to stop, but I guess we can stop here.
Not on a minute motor, is it?
No, it's dead. Yeah, I got another battery for you.
You want me to go first, or you gonna go first? You want to go first, Rick?
I have no idea where the trail even goes.
I don't think we do either.
Alright. Back going again here. There might be a... Oh no, those are the trees. I was gonna tell you there's gonna be trees coming up in front of us here, but there's somebody cut them out of the way, so we're good.
Oh, I'll let you get ahead of me. You can set the pace, unless you want me ahead of you.
Oh, whatever. You're already ahead. That's fine.
Left?
I have no idea. Whatever looks better. Whoa!
Big rut. Deep sucker.
Oh, yikes. Yeah, I think this is what I was going to try to avoid.
Oh, do you want to turn around?
No, I don't care. I was just going to say that didn't last long.
Whoa!
What? Oh, big washout?
You guys tell me.
We'd have to make it back up, so I probably shouldn't. Although I don't know that I can turn around either. Oh, yikes.
That's exciting.
Yeah, I suppose I'm in the way, huh?
Oh, big rocks.
Oh, this is embarrassing. I'm gonna have to get off.
You want help?
I think I'm okay. Maybe. I just want to do something dumb and tip it over.
You want help?
No, I think I'm all right. Thanks. Somehow when I told my...
Oh, look at this.
Doing the kickstand trick.
Oh! I'll remember that. Not Rick's first rodeo.
So do you want to try that left? You want to see what that looks like?
Looks wet.
Looks wet? Like we shouldn't do it?
No, I don't know.
I'm wishing I would have taken my little rubber peg insert thing out and then get a little bit more grip in the wet stuff. It's kind of nice that they made them that way. You can put the rubber in for road rides and you can take it out for messy stuff. I should probably just take them out and leave them out, but with my foot being a little bit tender, I thought they might be kind of nice to have. Ooh, I'm getting close to the edge. Yeah, this isn't like 100% different than the KLR off-road, but I think it's the steering, I guess, just how that's laid out, or maybe just the bars, but it definitely kind of throws me off. I guess it's probably been, what, 2 months since I've been off-road on a bike, though.
Oh, it's your first adventure with your newly constructed foot.
Yeah, it sure is.
It's shorter, tougher, stronger.
It is shorter a little bit, a couple toes. Yeah, somehow when the podiatrist told me that I could go for a motorcycle ride, I don't know if this is really what she had in mind.
You want to turn around?
No, it's fine.
I don't know how Rick feels about this either.
I just think it's funny. Yeah, this might get a little bit swampy up here. I don't remember how far or how nasty this gets.
Oh my gosh. Oh boy.
That doesn't exactly give me confidence. What's going on?
You want to keep going?
No, I said what? Oh.
What's that?
Does Rick? Oh, hi Rick. You want to keep going?
Up to you guys.
Yeah, I'm good. This isn't really a good spot to turn around anyway. Because it looks real bad up there, or what? Or just this water in front of you?
I just didn't know how you guys felt about this.
Oh.
Right. I suppose I could get up with my pegs, but I'm not going to.
Everybody else is doing it.
Oh, are they? Oh, there goes Rick. He's on it. He's on it. Ooh, he's off it. You good? You're right though, huh? You okay?
I jammed the ankle a little.
Oh, I gotta move my bike. I can't even get off here. Ben can't help either. 1 second. Oh, you got it. No, you don't. Well, you're looking great right until then. Thought, man, look at him go. Everything's good though, huh? Do you want me to hold it while I get on it, or?
I'm just gonna get my wind.
Okay. Oh, you put a different muffler on there too.
Yeah, Del Havoc.
Oh. Does this go through, Ben?
Yeah, I was just trying to remember. I know I've taken a loop, but I don't know if it's ever...
Well, if it looks any worse, maybe we should turn around, huh? If it looks any worse, we should turn around.
Probably. Yeah, I didn't realize it was this bad.
He always gets me into this stuff.
You were out ahead. I couldn't see what was going on. I'm going to turn my cameras off. I did not stop in a good spot. There's no place to get moving, but I'll probably just creep through rather than hurt myself.
Hey, that's usually me laying there, ask him.
Just a little wiggle and that front end got turned and I was done. And I caught my foot underneath the bike and kind of...
Oh no. Ouch. You alright though?
Yeah, it feels okay right now. I might feel it tomorrow.
Oh, this is looking better. For now.
Yeah, I can't quite remember. I think it does get... What's up?
Slippery. Oh, and ruts.
Yeah, this is kind of ridiculous.
Do we want to keep going? Yeah.
You're not gonna hurt my feelings if you want to turn around. I don't want anybody getting hurt. I think I don't know, it might clear up a little bit here. We're probably gonna have to, well, I shouldn't say that. There's actually, oh, yikes.
Between the leaves and the mud.
Yeah, it might be a good spot to turn around. Although not really.
What?
Yeah, I don't know. This just doesn't look like a great spot to turn around, but whatever you think. I don't think you're gonna get out of that.
This looks like it's gonna be deep.
Yeah. Is it?
So, do you want me to turn around or come up here and turn around?
I'm coming. This thing's running warm.
Mine too. Oh, look how deep it is.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I'm like right in the hole. Look at the KLR go.
What do you mean, Rick?
Yeah. Yeah, he just like went right through the woods.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a slippery crap. Jesus.
If I didn't have a broken foot or if I had crash bars, I'd be a lot more willing to stay on this when I turn around, but I pretty much got a flat foot on this one. I don't want to put any weight on my toes, so I'm limited. Beautiful day for a ride though. Almost a little too beautiful. It's warm out. Bike gonna be all dirty. Oh yikes. I gotta say the tractionators are doing pretty well. They do a heck of a job on the road. Be hard to beat my last tires, the Tenere K270s off-road with any tire, but these seem to be doing a pretty darn good job in all this slippery muck. So how many of you guys have heard of Motaz tires? I've just kind of heard about them a little bit in the last year, maybe 2 years. People were telling me I should try them on the KLR. Whoa! So far I'm definitely happy with them on here. Hello.
Ben,
How's it going?
not bad. How about with you guys?
Good.
Not good?
No, I said good.
Oh. I always recognize that KLR.
Yeah, I heard him fired up before, and just by instinct hearing the KLR, when I went to fire mine up, I hit the gas as I was firing it up, because I always did that with that bike, but you don't have to do that with fuel injection. Not that you had to with carb either, but it sounded cool.
Yeah. Well, that's enough of that.
Woo. Agreed. Yeah, that was a little more than I intended to do today.
Leg holding up.
Woo. It feels fine. I'm afraid to put my toes down, so I can only flat foot, and that makes things a little bit precarious, but this is also the first time I've really had this off-road, so it's a whole new learning experience today.
The road never starts out shitty and gets better. It just gets shittier and shittier and shittier.
It does seem that way. Seems to be the case.
It does.
We're coming.
I hear the KLR.
Yeah, the unmistakable thump. Yeah, I gotta say, I'm kind of surprised at how, I mean, I'm probably being stupid doing all this, but I'm really surprised at how like quickly I've adapted with this bike. I mean, you'd think it would be, I don't know, so much different off-road, but it really, I don't know, it's not bad. It's different. I mean, it's not quite as maneuverable, I guess.
No?
Is the right word for it. Yeah, I think anyway. And maybe it is. Maybe I just need to get used to you know, what I need to do to get it to do what I want it to. But yeah, I mean, I have to say it's definitely has not disappointed me yet. What a beautiful sunny day. Almost a little too warm. How you liking that coat?
Nice. I took the liner out.
Yeah. Yeah, Rick and I both have pretty warm weather coats on, so I bet I'm surprised he doesn't have his unzipped. Mine's open.
Dirt.
All right. Yeah, standing up on this is actually surprisingly comfortable too.
Is it?
Yeah. All right, yeah, this looks better. Ooh, gotta love that sound. I don't seem to be having a problem with it, but I think this thing has some power that could get away from me pretty quick.
That's a good thing.
It's a good thing, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I was looking for. I don't know if it's a good thing, but it's a fun thing. Right through the middle of the puddle. Getting my brand new Falco boots all wet.
No.
That's okay. They're supposed to be wet and dirty. They haven't got wet feet yet, so that means they're doing their job. I think they claim to be water resistant rather than waterproof like the Falcos, or like the Formas did, but I stood in the river with my Formas and they got wet anyways. I think we'll call this quits for the video then. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, stay swanky. Don't ride trails like this with a freshly healed broken foot and no crash bars. And get on, enjoy this beautiful world. And hit the subscribe button and check out some more videos.